I'm also doing intuitive eating. So if I am full, by the time I eat in window clothes and I do not consume all the stuff I set out to, it's gonna get roll over for the next day. roll over credit. Okay. I have cracked the seal when it comes to smoothies. Sorry, not sorry. Okay. So I was about to go ahead and start it. And I said, no, let me come to the girlies to give my updated smoothie recipes. So I'm going to be doing 2 smoothies today. And I'm going to consume 1 solid meal. Fingers crossed. I already have my coffee brewed and ready to go. So this is what I'm going to do. The first one I'm going to do is mango with the spring mix, and then I have my mango juice. Why I don't have it out, I don't know why. And I'm gonna put this fiber in it, and then I'm gonna put my creatine. This creatine is not what's in this bottle, it's a different creatine. If I remember, I'll plug it in this video. I did enjoy this creatine, but I'm trying to finish up the one that I had to transfer over there, because unfortunately the lid for that other can got thrown away. So what I did creatively, I still had this to do a review on. I did a review on it, and then I just poured it out into this one. But I did like this particular creatine, the first one. The one in there is good. What am I saying? I like it. I don't know the difference. I don't know the difference, honestly. So, but they blend the same, everything the same. So this is the flax seeds that I've been trying to finish up. After these flax seeds, I'll be done with them, and I'll go ahead and move on to chia seeds. But that's going to be the first mix up, okay? So you have this, the spring mix, this fiber, this creatine, and then the mango juice. Then the second mix up is going to be this spring mix, these berry blend. So you have blackberry, blueberry, strawberry. It's the berry family. And then I'm going to include the pineapples. The reason why I'm including the pineapples is because this by itself with the dragon fruit juice don't give me enough sweetness, but the pineapple combined, game changer. So I already have the mango and the spring mix in there. I'm going to go ahead and pour these 2. And this, I'm going to put in with this. The flaxseed, I'm going to put in with this because I already have these in my mango smoothie. I want to, share the wealth. And, yeah, let me go ahead and get the mango juice and the dragon fruit juice and show you guys what it do. And aside from my smoothie, I'm also going to be having these berries. So this is blackberries. I put them in this mason jar so that it can stay as fresh as long as possible. I have my blue cup that I'm going to put it in. I'm not hungry yet, so I'm just going to take out the cherries because I don't know about you guys. I don't like to eat cold fruits. No ma'am. And as you can see, I like a lot of cherries. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to go ahead and wash it. The blackberries are already washed. I'm going to wash these and then pour this in, the amount that I want in it. I do consume more cherries than berries, but we gon' get it. We gon' get it. Okay, so this is the dragon fruit juice. I get these from Costco, by the way. And this is the mango juice. Spectacular. This was God's gift to man. I said it. But let me go ahead and proceed. Ooh, and I also got these cups from Costco's. Love them down. Love them down. I'm going to fill it up. And then just pour it over. And then I'm done with the mango. I like to pack and put away things as I go. And then when it comes to the second smoothie, I'm thinking, should I rinse it out? I don't think I'll rinse it out. If you want, you can rinse out the blender when you're finished, but I don't. So right now I'm putting in my fiber supplements. And then I'm going to put in my creatine. And that will be all for this one smoothie. Smoothie, oodie. I feel like I'm missing something. Don't you guys hate that feeling when you're doing something and it's like, oh, I'm missing something. And then when it's done, it's like, oh, that's what I was missing. Sometimes this blender blends it well, and then sometimes this is what happens. But I just take a spoon and just mix it up. And usually that gets the job done 100%. Yeah, I love these cups down. We recommend 10 out of 10. Costco had a sale going on and I snagged it. You get a pack of 2 and I think it was for 20 something dollars. But this is the consistency I like. Ooh. Ooh. Still have a little bit leave back. Again, I'm gonna just use that for the next blend. But these cups, oh, it keeps it so, what am I doing? I put too much in. I put too much in, so I just slurp up some of it. So be careful with that as well. And since I want to do my mango smoothie first, I'm gonna leave that out in the out of the fridge. And then we're gonna proceed on to my next smoothie. I've been noticing that you only need a handful of greens. Because I would put in 2 handfuls and you taste some more greens, which I don't mind, but sometimes I just want to know that me I drink a smoothie. And then I like to put in 4 spoons of this. I don't even know if I still get in the benefits of these seeds because I had them for a while and I don't like to waste the money. So now I use them until it's gone. So this is a berry blend. And just keep in mind how much berries you put in, or fruits I should say in general, is going to be contingent on how much juice you need. Because this could make it real thick real fast. And then pineapple, these pineapples are good up. What I need to do is I need to buy a concentrated pineapple. Oh, oh, that just slipped in there. And do a plain pineapple smoothie, just like how you see me do the mango smoothie with the mango juice and the mango chunks. I want to get a pineapple juice, so I could do pineapple juice with pineapple chunks and see how that tastes, because that mango blend, righteous. But this is like a fruit smoothie because we have the dragon fruit and we have a little bit of mango blend in there. With the dragon fruit, I like. Fill her up. That's it. out of the mango and the mixed blend, I noticed that this blends smoother and faster than the mango, and I think you have to do like the mango hairs. But could you see the pour? What am I doing? And I get more mango because, like I said, I had to put in more liquid. But this is going to be my dinner. I had to get up and do it, y'all, because I was having thoughts of buying food out, and I said no. I have to be committed. Have to be committed. So good, y'all. So good. Try these blends and let me know if you like it, because y'all, this is spectacular. So now I have my 2 juices. And get these cups. They also come with straws. They come with like a big straw and then a skinny straw. This one here is for this one, but I'm not gonna put it in because I don't like the straw going in and then the egg. You know, I don't like that. I don't like that. So this is my mango, this is my mix, this is my dinner, this is my breakfast. But y'all, I got these cupcakes from Publix yesterday. So that I'll also be eating with my lunch. If not, I'm gonna just have it for breakfast. Actually not. I'm gonna have these. Because right now it's about to be 10 o'clock. These are my berries. I'll be eating these. I got these from Costco's, and these could be a hit and miss. I'm glad I went in and got 2 of the blackberries because I wasn't sure. But they hit you. Okay, so that's gonna conclude my whole smoothie ritual blend. I should know what I eat in a day, you know, because all I really need to do is include my lunch, and it'll practically be what I eat in a day. Because I'm gonna have a cupcake, and then I have a Kodak protein bar that I'm gonna be having for a snack. So that's gonna be my 2 snacks. And it should be good. And then I'm gonna have a factor meal for my meal. And those are low in calories. So the cupcake is not gonna blow me over the wall. And this is the protein bar that I got. I also bought it. If you didn't tell, I'm a Costco fanatic. I have 7 grams of protein. I don't have the specs on it, but it has 7 grams of protein, and this company is usually a good company for like good protein subs. And I also have the pancake mix in the cabinet, but I'm here for it. I'm here for it. So I'm gonna show you what I have for lunch and then wrap it up. That's gonna be what I eat in a day with this smoothie, 1 meal a day soiree. Okay, y'all, so you saw my smoothies. Now this is going to be my 1 solid meal. I already had the cupcake I showed you earlier. It was good. I had my coffee. That was good. That Kodak protein bar, excellent. I'm loving today's what I eat in a day. Now, as for the smoothie, I did the strawberry blend, berry blend, the berry blend smoothie with the pineapple. I don't think I will make it. Because I just finishing up my first smoothie, and I haven't even finished that 100%, and now I'm moving on to my bowl right here, and it's 2:34, and I like to cut off my eating at 3:30 now, the latest. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I might save that second smoothie for tomorrow. That cup that I told you I got from Costco is insulated, so it does stay fresh. I have left, I forgot to walk with a smoothie, left it home, and came back and drank it the next day, and it was still fresh. So I might do that tomorrow because I don't want to force myself. I'm also doing intuitive eating. So if I am full by the time I eat in window clothes and I do not consume all the stuff I set out to, You're gonna got roll over for the next day. Roll over credit. Okay. So yeah, this is gonna conclude my what I eat in a day. It kind of look really mucky, but it is a loaded mashed potato and shredded chicken with all of these in it. It's 520 calories and then have 36 grams of protein. This is a 10 out of 10. I wish if I restart my factor meal, this is gonna be one in it. Okay, 10 out of 10. I love it, but I need to go ahead and microwave it because it's a little bit cold. But bon appetit! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because your girl is here for a long time.